BITS Pilani courses and fees 2022. Birla Institute of Technology and Science, Pilani, BITS Pilani. The Birla Education Trust was founded in 1929. Presently, BITS Pilani offers admission across 35 courses in several streams, such as engineering, management, pharmacy, humanities, science, etc., at UG, PG and PhD level. After expansion to a campus in Dubai, it has become the first international deemed university. The university has expanded its campuses from Pilani to Goa, Hyderabad, Dubai and Mumbai.
BITS conducts the All India Computerized Entrance Examination. BITS offered an opportunity to build a leading technological university in India.
Currently, Kumar Mangalam Birla is Chancellor and Shobhana Bhartia is pro-chancellor. In April 2016, Chancellor Kumar Mangalam Birla announced that Prof. Suvik Bhattacharya of IIT Kharagpur, Jadavpur University was selected to take over as the new Vice-Chancellor of BITS Pilani.
He took over in June 2016 to become the sixth academic head of the institute. Professor Ranendra N. Saha became acting Vice-Chancellor since June 13, 2021, after the expiration of Professor Bhattacharya's term.